Hello everybody and welcome back. We are getting ready to get back on the road again. I'm getting a plan laid out here that it's just going to be time to go soon. We have enjoyed time here at hanging out at Teri and Scott's. We had kind of a bit of a gathering, a nomadic rendezvous, sort of, here at Teri and Scott's RV Resort, or it's been called the Destination Open Road RV Resort. Anyway, if you're hearing weird noises, it's because I'm playing with some new cooking gadgets I got here. Back to that in a minute. So we're at Teri and Scott's. They got their camper off their truck. The truck is having some problems right now. It just needs to go in the shop. I don't think it's anything too serious. They're getting that taken care of. Wandering Jimmy's here in his van. Well, you can't see it from the grapevine, but Aja's RV is Aja is down there in her RV. We did do a little bit of work to it here the last couple of days. I won't give that away. She'll probably post a video if you're interested. I know a lot of you watch, a lot of the channels of some of my friends and the people I travel with, and vice versa. But she'll go into more depth of what we did to her RV. It's probably long overdue, but if you want to check that out, her video will probably be out in a couple of days or so. And who else? In the family, Dana and Steve are down below. And Eric, Nomadic Fanatic, he stopped in for a couple of days, I believe. It's been nice hanging with friends. It's been really nice. But can't stay forever. I don't live here. It's been nice. They welcomed everybody to their property. They've been great hosts. It's just been nice hanging with everybody. But there comes that time when, you want to go out on the road again and seek out new adventures, and the time comes to leave, and that time's getting close for us. So I'm probably going around get some things cleaned up today, and probably get out of here tomorrow. Back to what am I doing here? So back to my new cooking gadget. Okay, I'll start with my heat source. That's a propane campfire, and it's just a cheap generic one. You can get fancier ones. I think I paid $79 for that. But we got a little flame going on in there. It's just kind of on low. Oops, I need to turn it down a wee little bit. I had it down to 400, now it's back up to 500. I need to adjust that just a little bit. And I'm going to bake some potatoes for potato salad. I like using baked potatoes. There it is. One rack. It's adjustable to 3 levels. I'm going to throw some potatoes in there. Once I get this thing to stabilize, maybe right around 400 should be good. And this collapses. Oh, oops. The grate that it's on, I think Walmart carries these. They're only, like $20. But the whole oven collapses down after you let it cool, and you fold it down, and fits into this little box, so it's easy to store. But I didn't want to cook inside the RV. It's going to be another hot day, and I don't want to heat up the inside of the RV, so I want to cook outside. That's what I have these for. And I'm heating up some water. I can get my eggs in here, do some hard-boiled eggs. So that's what I'm up to out here. A little bit of outdoor cooking this morning. Planning a road trip. I'm going to be saying goodbye to my friends pretty soon, and there's no definite plans of where we're going to cross paths next at. So I might not see folks for, maybe it'll be a month, maybe it'll be 6 months. I don't know when that will be, but it's always nice to hang out with them when I can. Here comes Bella. Good morning, girl. Good morning. Oh, stretches. Holding a yawn. Good morning. Good morning. How fast things can change. We went from a nice sunny day, cooking outside, making potato salad to now it's raining and the RV is broke. And realizing I need to go run and take care of the tanks and go do laundry, and then I'm going to come back here to Teri and Scott's and find out what's wrong with the RV. It's the 12-volt system is acting up, which controls the water pump and the for doing dishes and showering, and runs the controller on the refrigerator. So it's kind of critical that I get that fixed, but it'll be okay. And it works when I'm plugged in, but when I unplug, the 12-volt system kicks out. I don't know, something goofy. I'll get it. So right now everything, the refrigerator's really cold and the freezer and everything. I'll unplug. It'll be okay long enough for me to go run my errands, but I'll come back and plug back in and get to diagnosing what the heck is going on with that. So we were going to leave on a trip, on a little loop at least today, but I got to take care of some things, and then maybe we'll aim for getting out and about. Grumble. Yeah, my mood's changed a little bit too. So it's the weather, the RV broke my mood. One nice thing is I found a free dump station here at the fairgrounds. Actually, Scott told me about it. Worked out nice, but the dump station's on this side. The way you pull up, the bounder's actually leaning away, so it doesn't drain 100%. So I use my leveling jacks and tilt the RV like this, so it drains more completely. But it was free. I guess that's a nice start to the day. Now if just the laundromat was free. I don't know where all my water went. I actually run it pretty low. The pump was starting to suck air. It was down pretty far, and when it was leaning a little bit, it was sucking air. We're already about half full. Another 100 gallons, please. Bill says, we're just not taking care of business today. You get the rig ready for another trip. Right? Take care of business today. And it's just one of those days when you're out and about, even if we're not getting to go anywhere today, while we're out and about, and I'll just stop and get gas. And don't you just hate it when the gas pump shuts off at $100? Okay, it's not full. The pump shut off at $100. That's going to be full enough. I'm not going to restart the pump and keep going. But I'm just saying, don't you hate it when your gas pump shuts off at $100? Okay, now that it started raining again. Anyway, the bright side of the day is going to be, it is going to clear up later. It's going to get sunny. I've had all my chores done. Now that I've drug you all around the dump station and the gas station, I'm not going to drag you to the laundromat. I'll end this video. Where's my exit? Alright, we're good. Anything else? I almost forgot. While I was at Teri and Scott's, I fixed my donut gaskets. Of course, it was quiet in the last video, but I'd forgotten. We got out here and it's all nice and quiet. Can't tell you how nice that is. Here's our exit. Alright, I'm going to end the video. Thanks for stopping in today, coming along. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, take care.